Mga kaibigan, bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong post ng One TV Philippines 50 minutes ago. Breaking, sabi niya. AFP Colonel publicly withdraws support from President Marcos Jr. Camp Aguinaldo, Quezon City. A senior Armed Forces of the Philippines officer has publicly withdrawn his personal support for President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., citing loss of moral authority to lead. Colonel Audi A. Mongao, a 34-year AFP veteran and current director of the Training Development Center under the AFP Training Command, made the statement in a social media post. While reaffirming loyalty to the Armed Forces of the Philippines and the Constitution, he said, President Marcos Jr. had lost his moral ascendancy to lead the Armed Forces of the Philippines as Commander-in-Chief and govern the Filipino people. The Colonel ended his post with sobra na, tama na, and mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Colonel Mongao has held key training and command positions, including leadership roles in Training Support Group and the 15th Infantry Battalion. His public declaration has drawn attention due to strict military rules limiting political commentary by active duty officers. As of this writing, neither Malacanang nor AFP leadership has issued an official response. So, magbasa lang ako sa mga comments ha. Simbe Rambuyon, sabi niya, so rare, may bayag ito. Knowing the consequences of his actuations and pronouncement, when will others will learn? Okay, sumagot si MG De La Cruz. Di ko akalain na may isang sundalo hindi nakatiis sa korupsyon. Joseph Bermodo, we salute you, sir, for a heroic move. Sana AFP, PNP, Air Force, Navy ay aaklas na rin. Gerardo Balmoha, Bopol supporting the Constitution is synonymous to supporting the duly elected government. Manoj Jeja, such a rarity. My admiration and respect. Just curious though, has he resigned? Sa pagkakaintindi ko, hindi pa siya resign. Kasi nga active. Siya yung Training Development Center head sa Training Command ng AFP. Okay. Ni-research ko, is Colonel Mongao a PMA graduate? Lumabas sa Google, yes. He is a member of PMA class of 1992. Ang mga nakaposisyon ngayon, karamihan class 91 and 92. Kaibigan kong division commander sa 4th Infantry Division sa Cagayan de Oro is member of PMA class of 1992. So, very rare talaga ito. Ako, hindi ko inaasahan na mayroong isang active duty officer, PMA, na mag-withdraw ng support sa Pangulo. Alam ko, bago niya ginawa ito, pinag-aralan muna niya ang consequences. So ano ang posibleng mangyari sa kanya? Palagay ko, he will be forced to resign. Or, I don't know kung sasampaan ba siya, i-trial ba siya ng court martial. Very, ano ito ngayon? Siguro, nabigla rin ang nabigla ang palasyo, nabigla ang AFP leadership sa ganitong development at i-monitor po natin ano ang gagawin nila itong si kay Colonel Audi Mongaw. Kasi bawal talaga yan. Bawal. Ito analysis ko lang ito, opinion ko lang ito. Baka naman baka naman nag-submit na siya ng early retirement. Something like that. Kasi kung wala siyang planong mag-retire, tapos nagsalita siya ng ganyan, wala siya. Talon-talo siya talaga. Pwede siyang, again, opinion ko lang ito, pwede siyang kasuhan ng, I don't know, hindi ko na maalala yung mga articles of war. Kaya lang, baka makasuhan siya ng insubordination, disloyalty. Kasi kung active duty member ka, hindi ka pwede talagang magsalita. Bawal. Maalala ko yung paragraph tinuro sa amin na loyalty. If you work for a man in heaven's name, work for him, speak well of him, and stand by the institution he represents. Yan ang tinuro amin. If you must growl, condemn, and eternally find fault, then resign your position, and if you are in the outside, damn to your heart's content. Yan. Dapat mag-resign muna. Maalala ko, may PNP last year, patrolman, nagsalita rin ng hindi magandang salita laban sa Pangulo. Yun, sinisante. Natanggal. Ito, hindi basta-basta ko nito, dahil PME graduate. Plus 92. Although yung posisyon niya, sa nakita ko, parang supposed to be, lahat ng class 1992, naka-star rank na ngayon. Siya, yung kanyang posisyon, mababa. Parang hindi siya nabigyan ng magandang posisyon. Dapat sana, nandyan na siya sa mga brigade. Kahit deputy brigade commander, okay na. Hindi siya nakaposisyon Anyway, kaabang-abang talaga ito. Ano bang sigurado ito, mayroong karapatang parusa. Pag hindi siya mag-resign, talagang may kalalagyan siya habang nandyan pa siya sa active duty But this is something revelation. May susunod pa ba? I don't know. I-monitor na lang natin ang mangyari sa hanay ng ating kasundaluhan. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is pantulong po sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng mga libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan.